Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat the climate change. So don't cut trees.
The first thing we can do to save the air is turn the lights off and recycle.
Save leftovers and be nice to the worms.
Share a book and plant a tree.
Use both sides of the paper, save water.
We can clean up trash from the streets, and we can put our underwear in the freezer when it's cold.
Turn the top off when you are finished. Saving water is important because everything needs water to live.
Do not down or run trees.
Okay, so we should protect the environment. The first thing we can do is bike or walk whenever possible.
Second is recycle.
Third, turn off lights when not in use.
Fourth, don't litter.
5. Take a shower instead of a bath to conserve water.
Sixth, plant a tree.
Create a wildlife habitat by building a birdhouse in your yard.
8. Turn off electronics when not in use.
Turn the water off while you brush your teeth.
Ride the school bus.
Do not use plastic bags. Instead of using plastic bags, you should use paper or material bags while shopping. It's a small change for you, but big for the environment. Turn off the TV. If you are not using the TV, you should turn it off. You are wasting an electricity.